So I've been using this Maker TH66 for a while now. And it's a pretty good keyboard. I'm using it with the Boba U40 switches, but I miss my delete key. Now I've tried a couple of times to get one with the delete key. One reason or another, ended up not liking them. So another try. At this time, I don't know why, but I'm going with a low profile one. This is the Keychron K7. It's got 68 keys, so not just the delete key, it's got the home key also, along with page up and page down that the Maker has. I got this, ordered this with the brown switches. Now, those are Gateron brown mechanical switches, not the optical ones. The box did not have an indication what kind of switches came in this. So, manual, I suppose. And the keyboard. Keycap puller. This is not hot swap. USB A to C cable, braided. That's good. And some extra keys. Oh, here is the manual. It's Bluetooth. This one is Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz wireless as well. The Keychron is only Bluetooth. I don't intend to use it for wireless. Alright, so they've got a nice plastic cover. Goes back in the box. Wow, this is actually smaller than this keyboard. The next. So I might still have a problem with this one because, see, the gap, there's not an extra gap next to this. What I found is, that extra gap next to the enter key helps. This one, they're all the same gap, same height, so to speak. Does look like it is brown switches. It's got two buttons here to toggle between Bluetooth off cable and the OS selector. It's got rubber fit, angle adjustment, two of them. I believe it's 6 degrees and 9 degrees. And the keycaps are shine through ABS, not PBS. Let's plug it in. I'm gonna give it a try at least for a couple of weeks and probably share my thoughts. Oh, I forgot. The extra keys are for actually the Windows related keys, because by default in the box it comes with the Mac keys. And also the color scheme of the keycaps actually goes pretty nice with my existing desk mat from Mito, True Drop. Now some sound test. This is the Keychron K7 with the Gateron brown mechanical switches, low profile. And now to compare with my Epomaker TH66 with the Boba U40 switches. I believe these are 65 grams.